This time I have a Viking. This is a Viking 250C. This machine, with the problem that we having with this machine is actually that the stepping motor is not working correctly, meaning that, you know, every time you try to use it, the stitches are not coming out perfect. You know, it's not making the good stitching, very short, sometimes very big. I know for sure that the stepping motor is bad. I'm going to replace it. Once we replace it, we're back in 100% working order. The sewing decker in here. Let's jump into it. The machine now from the front part of it. Look at this. Wow. See that? I will still have to continue opening everything because I won't be able to see it yet. Look at this. It's been working a lot. You know, these machines, they really take a lot of pounding. You know, when people working on them, they really work. Look at this. I will have to continue opening the full cover and also take that plate off so I could see on the inside to see what's happening, because I won't be able to see with these. But yeah, have the machine open now. That's how it looks on the inside. Look at that nice machine, huh? So here's the machine. I'm still working on everything. Has to come off because, you know, that's how this machine works. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna reset everything here on the stepping motor just to make sure, because I have done everything and nothing works. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna, you know, work on this motor, make sure that I get the motor correctly before I put it back in there. I'm gonna be using all the gauges and all the instruction from the manufacturer. Only is going backwards, so, you know, something wrong with it. What it is, I don't know. But I'm gonna do all the settings first, install it, and then see what happens. Now the stepping motor is in the correct position. Now I gotta go use my gauges so you can see the numbers here and set off the gauge and make sure that when I put it back in there, everything is perfect. Now I'm gonna use all the gauges, set my motor exactly the way it's supposed to, because it's a service manual stepping motor. It's on the right position. Now I'm gonna set it up, adjust it, install it, and let's try it. Here I have the machine that I've been working on. This is the Viking machine. You know, everything is out now. You know, I wish I could say, you know, what I have found, but so far nothing looks to be damaged. You know, the only thing that could be wrong, it could be that the actually stepping motor is damaged, and, you know, but everything else is fine. Everything looks good. You know, I took everything apart. You know, nothing shows like it's broken or anything around here. So it's hard, you know, to really say what, you know, what's costing the machine to do that. But I'm gonna put everything back together now. Hopefully when I put everything back together and I put grease on there, I clean it, I oil it, you know, but it's nothing really mechanically that I could say, oh, this is wrong. Everything looks to be okay. When I turn on that stepping motor, it turns on, and when I adjust the stitch length, it's working fine. So hopefully it was just something that was not working perfectly fine. Maybe it was tight, maybe it was just dry, maybe it just was stuck somewhere. I got a piece of thread in there, I had a piece of broken needle, something, because mechanically nothing is wrong. So I'm gonna start putting everything back together. Once I put everything back together, I got finger crossed that everything should be fine, because nothing shows like it's damaged. Machine, this is the Viking machine that had that broken motor. Now stepping motor, I have already replaced it, and everything is perfect. Let's make it into a zigzag to see what that zigzag comes up. Everything's working beautiful. Look at that. Look at that stitch, a beautiful stitch. Everything is working fine. I'm gonna try a different stitch, maybe the 3-step zigzag. And try it. Yep, everything's working perfectly fine. As you can see now, the machine, you know, came in with a damage stepping motor. I have just replaced it, you know, and that's it. Machine is back in perfectly working order. Sewing doctor in New York with another one. So now the machine has been completed. Everything is perfect. Everything is working fine. We're just gonna call the customer, let it come in, do some testing, and the machine is back to perfectly working order. The sewing doctor in New York with another one.